Are you maximizing your customer outreach? If not, it's time to explore SMS and MMS. Businesses face a challenge choosing the right messaging method. SMS is ideal for brief, urgent messages. Use it for appointment reminders and authentication codes. MMS shines when you need to send visuals or detailed content. Textline supports both SMS and MMS, making your workflow seamless. One key benefit of SMS is lower cost for concise messages. In contrast, MMS allows richer communication with images or links. Textline stands out by enabling your existing business number, making setup stress-free. We also integrate seamlessly with popular software like Salesforce and Shopify. Need a specific integration? Textline's SMS API and webhooks bridge any gaps. In summary, choose Textline for all your messaging needs. Elevate your communication strategy today. Ready to enhance your outreach? Sign up for Textline now and start connecting better.